Hey guys, so what is the difference between a mutual fund and an ETF, meaning exchange traded fund? So what's the main difference? So pretty much both of them are pretty much an index of like a couple of stocks. For example, let me give you an example. So a mutual fund and an ETF, both of them, they're both of like index. For example, I might have Apple, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, that's a FANG index, right? Or things like that. So pretty much they're both indexes, but they're traded differently. For example, mutual fund, you cannot just trade it up on your, TOS straight up like that. Usually mutual funds also require you to, they have a minimum investment amount and things like that. With ETF, it's traded just like a stock. So pretty much you can get on Robinhood or TD, whatever you use. You can just type up the ETF, ticker, and you can find it, you can buy it, and you can sell it right away. With mutual funds, you cannot just, buy it right now and sell it into the day. You can, but you have to sell it at the closing time, after the closing time. That's the main difference. Now, in 2020, I encourage you guys to use ETF because it's much more easier and it's an active way of trading. Now with mutual fund, still good, right? Because a mutual fund is trying to beat the market. So for example, let's say I have a mutual fund from Vanguard, right? And what they do is they'll require me to deposit, let's say, at least $20,000, and they might make me, there'll be fees. For example, let's say my money made at least 10%, right? Now Vanguard will take, or whoever's managing the fund, they will take 3%, 4%, or even 5%. So their goal is to grow your account, but they will take a cut. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, in these days, I tell you, okay, so if you have a lot of money and if you don't want to be involved, do mutual funds. Okay, it's still good. Okay, now if you don't have a lot of money, or if you do have a lot of money to invest, ETF is very safe, and you can just trade it just like a stock. So you get on your trading platform, type it up, okay, and for example, look it up, FANG ETF. FANG ETF or Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. Tech, it's a tech index, so you can trade that as well. So highly encourage you guys to look into ETF if you are an active trader. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too much of a difference. And keep in mind that mutual funds, you won't find them on your ticker. There's no ticker. You have to go through a broker or like a firm where you have to initially you have to contact them. They'll contact you back, and then you go ahead and set up your mutual funds. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And keep in mind, guys, that if you want to learn more about investment, stock, make sure to check out my other videos and make sure to subscribe for videos like this. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day. Thank you.